Alright, so while I was at my last job, I got a phone call from another customer of mine indicating they have a truck, small single axle dump truck on a job site that won't start. So I'm now over here. We are going to do an assessment of what we have going on, verify the concern, and see what we can do to get this corrected for them. The customer is a construction company, so they need the truck. Trying to get it done in a timely manner for them. Okay, so I'm here looking at our no start complaint. One of the first things that I notice when I power on here, I am not seeing a check engine light at all. So with the no check engine light coming on at key on, engine off, I am now going to go ahead and find the fuse panel on this thing. We're going to check fuses for the ECM, make sure the ECM is getting powered up. I'm venturing to guess it's not, so either one, we have a fuse issue, a relay issue, and or a wiring issue to the ECM. Alright, so it's a little cold out here. I'm a little farther now in my diagnostic of the no start on this truck. I'm going to flip the camera around here and show you. So the ECM fuses are typically located in the battery box, and right here was the ECM fuse holder. I only had 3 volts on it, and as soon as I put under load, the voltage went away. So I tore into this wire loom in here, and I found kind of some green stuff. You can kind of see here some that came out of a piece and pulled out of it. So we definitely had high resistance in this wire. I'm going to go ahead and repair this wire for now, and then verify that that is our only issue. Alright, so I have kind of made a temporary repair of this wire coming from this inline fuse here. Not the best wiring job, just kind of put it together, used non-insulated connectors with some shrink tubing, wrapped it up in black electrical tape, put a ring terminal here. Again, it's non-insulated, it's got shrink tube underneath the electrical tape. So yeah, not the best wiring repair, but it's what we got with us. Just trying to make this thing work for them. I'm gonna walk around here. Let's try to see if this, see if that corrects our issue. So, moment of truth. I'm gonna reach in, let it cycle. Hey. So the truck now fires up. That corrects the no start complaint this customer had.